And now we have a Baccharis plant here. I am pretty sure that the species for this Baccharis plant is salicifolia. And one of the reasons why it's really important to be able to ID is because it can be confused with the salix plant because the leaves are so similar. But there are a lot of differences that I can show you today which makes them different, which is really important because this plant, this Baccharis, is in the Asteraceae family, and the salix plant is in the Saliciaceae family, and they have different medicinal actions. So the one thing that people get really confused are these long, green, oblong shaped flowers because leaves, because they're the same on both plants. However, when you get close enough to the leaf on the Baccharis, you can see there's 3 different veins. There's one right here on the side, there's one down the middle, and then there's one on the other side. When salix just has one central vein down the middle. Another thing about these leaves are it's green on the front and it is green on the back. Salix is actually white on the back, like white grayish color on the back. Also, the flowers are very different. Let me find some different flowers for you. So the flowers on a salix are long catkin flowers, and these flowers here are the traditional Asteraceae disc ray flowers. And so when you look at it at first, it looks like each disc is one big flower, but actually if you get really close up, you'll see that there are multiple flowers in each one. And each of those flowers for this plant has 5 petals. Also too, I'll do a close-up of that underneath. So that little fuzzy stuff, that's actually from a bug that set up shop there. Underneath the green, these are actually not sepals on the Asteraceae plants. They're actually called bracts, and they're modified leaves. Let's get nice and close for you so you can see this plant. Another thing about this plant I would like to recommend for you to do is when you find it, just grab it and just take a big whiff of it. It has a very strange scent, and when it rains in the canyon, it actually fills up the parking lot. You've probably been smelling it and not knowing what it is. So it's very fragrant, and it's native to this area, so it is all around. Yeah. So this once again is Baccharis salicifolia. Common name is Mule Fat.